Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops with a head-to-head comparison of the Neugo steam mop, the clean machine, and the Neugo steam mop, the multi-purpose marvel. Let's see which steam mop can help you banish grime and keep your floors sparkling clean. First up, let's talk about the price. The clean machine is priced at $109, making it a great option for those on a budget. Reviewers appreciate its reasonable price and effectiveness in cleaning and sanitizing floors. On the other hand, the multi-purpose marvel comes at $119. While it's a bit pricier, users love the additional accessories that come with it, enhancing its versatility. If you're looking for value, the clean machine shines. But if you want more features, the multi-purpose marvel may be worth the extra cost. Now let's get steamy. Both mops have a powerful steam output of 230 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for deep cleaning without chemicals. Reviewers of the clean machine rave about its ability to tackle tough stains and dried grout effectively, leaving floors spotless. The multi-purpose marvel also heats up quickly and performs well on various surfaces, making it a favorite for those cleaning pet messes. Both mops deliver on steam power, so you can't go wrong here. Next up, versatility. The clean machine is straightforward and perfect for any floor type. Reviewers find it effective for cleaning laminate and tile floors. However, the multi-purpose marvel truly stands out with its ability to transform into a handheld cleaner and comes with 10 accessories. Users love this feature for cleaning not just floors, but also windows and even their cars. If you want a mop that does it all, the multi-purpose marvel is your best bet. Now, let's discuss adjustable features. The clean machine can handle gentle hardwood cleaning to tougher stains with ease, much like a superhero. Users appreciate how it adapts to their cleaning needs. The multi-purpose marvel offers similar adjustable steam modes, but with the added functionality of its accessory. Reviewers enjoy how these features enhance their cleaning experience, making both mops highly adaptable. Let's talk design and comfort. Both mops feature adjustable heights, allowing for comfortable cleaning without bending down. This is a huge plus for users who dislike strenuous cleaning positions. Reviewers appreciate this ergonomic design for both models, as it makes cleaning less of a chore. No need to hurt your back while keeping your floors clean. Finally, both mops boast a 23-foot cord and a 15.2 ounces removable water tank. Users love the long cord for its reach and the convenience of the removable tank for easy refills. However, some reviewers of the clean machine noted that the water tank size could be a downside for larger cleaning tasks. Still, both mops are praised for their efficiency and ease of use, making them suitable for various cleaning jobs. Overall, both Neugo steam mops receive high praise from users. The clean machine is celebrated for its affordability and effectiveness, especially on tough stains and grime. Meanwhile, the multi-purpose marvel is adored for its versatility, additional accessories, and ability to clean various surfaces effortlessly. Both products stand out in their own right, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. So which Neugo steam mop should you choose? If you prefer a simple, budget-friendly option, the clean machine is your go-to. But if you want extra features and versatility, the multi-purpose marvel is worth considering. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links. Until next time, keep buying smart, and may your floors always be sparkling clean.